how to fix Get This App from Play Store problem on your Android. So if you want to fix Get This App from Play Store problem on Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the top, and then just scroll down, go with Manage Apps and Devices. Once you do that, you're going to see where it says Manage. Tap on Manage, which will be on the top. Go ahead and click on Manage like this. And here you'll see an option where it says Updates Available. You need to tap on it, which will be on the top of your screen. And check if the app is available right here. If it is, then it might need an update. You just need to simply go and quickly update your application. After updating, your problem might be fixed. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and then delete the application or uninstall the application. Like for example, just tap and hold on to the application, go with the app info and uninstall it. And after uninstalling, again, try to reinstall or download it from the official Play Store. But if that doesn't solve your problem, then you can simply go ahead and open up your phone settings. After that, you need to go with Apps, which will be on the bottom. Tap on Apps and then go with Manage Apps. Once you tap on Manage Apps, you need to go with the application in which you're facing the problem. Like for example, I'll go with this one. And go with Clear Data, which will be on the bottom, and go with Clear Cache. And after clearing your cache, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix Get This App from Play Store problem on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.